Hello guys, welcome back to my how to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Grok 2.0 AI image generator. First, open the X or Twitter app on your device. Now look at the bottom and tap on the Grok icon. This will open the Grok 2.0 AI screen at the bottom. Click on Ask Anything. Here, write the message, generate a picture of water falling from the high mountains, and tap on the upward arrow icon to send now. It will generate 4 versions of image based on the information that you have given. You can also download the image. Click on the picture, then look at the top right corner and tap on the 3 dots line. Here you will see different sharing options. Then tap on Save Photo and a confirmation will appear. Note, you can only use up to 10 queries for every 2 hours in the Grok 2.0 AI model. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how to channel.